Well, if there was ever a time for a talkie, this is it. I hope you can hear me because there's a waterfall behind me. Now you know how spiritual I am. This is probably one of the most spiritual places I've ever been. I did just have a little cry, but look, behind me. You see that waterfall? It's absolutely incredible. But what is more incredible is the place is a bit like a shrine. Everywhere around there are the most beautiful, I don't know what to call them, I'll show you. It is astoundingly beautiful. Oh, Paul's just found a little stone that's got mum written on it. I just want to walk over here for a second. Sorry, I'm just looking at a woman, she's filming. I didn't want to walk through her. She didn't want me walking through it, did she? Hang on a second, because it's just so extraordinary. It's actually, hold on, let me show you. To walk through a stream while you're down here. Oh dear, honestly, some of these holly. It's made me think of Luke. Anyway, hold on. There's little tokens for people everywhere. Let me just show you down here. It really is the most extraordinary place. Hold on. Up there on the wall, on the cliff, I hope you can see it, are thousands of little stones where people have carved their loved ones' names. When I do readings, it quite often makes me cry when I feel the spirits, and I think that's why I must be feeling so emotional, because it's believed to be a very spiritual place down here. It's extraordinary. Anyway, I'll see you later.